Hello folks, I wanted to share with you what we're calling Stupid Contractor Award. And this guy here, I mean, I don't even know how many laws he's breaking from being so extremely stupid. But what I really, extremely stupid is right. But first, let me share with this. We got 4-foot property easement lines from the house over to, now it's 4-foot property lines, that's the easements. But look, this fence is almost up like 12 inches from their house. So they're actually put their fence on these people's property as they're destroying their people's property. And we're going to go over here because we just going to continue doing stupid stuff. Look what they've done to the sidewalk. They broke the sidewalk up something bad. I mean, look at this. They broke it and literally cracked it all up because what they've done is they literally have pulled their equipment in and out of here. And you can see the tire tracks right there where they're pulling their trucks up in here. Look at that. Look at these dumbasses. I mean, come on. And then look, they take half the sidewalk. No, I take that back. They're taking 3/4 of the sidewalk. Well, folks, when it comes to stupid, these people win the award. I mean, look at this. Oh, I don't know how you could get any dumber. Somebody lost their gloves here. I guess that right there, right here, this must be the marker for what stupid looks like. All stupid people on this job site. This is what you're looking for, folks. Idiots on parade. Well, thank you for watching our videos. I hope that you get a big kick out of what stupid looks like, because these people are winners. Anyway, folks, have a great day. And I hope that you don't hire anybody this effing ignorant. God bless you. I hope it's helpful. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services, or check us out on our construction consumer hotline and learn more about we have a construction consumer advocacy hotline. You can go to our website and check it out. You can check out all kinds of great information. It's free for everybody to learn more about what's happening around them. These stupid videos are out here like this, and to help educate you, and I hope it's been beneficial. Hey, hit like and subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors. This would really help us a lot. And I thank you folks for the help. God bless you all. Oh, God bless these people that's doing this job, because they can't get any stupider. Woo! Thanks, folks.